If you've been suffering with knee or joint pain, you know how exhausting and frustrating it can be. Every step, every bend, every rise can send a jolt of discomfort through your leg, making simple tasks feel like a chore and joyless. And getting up from a chair or bed can turn into a painful ordeal. But what if there was an easy, natural, and inexpensive way to soothe those aching joints and make movement more comfortable again? Imagine being able to walk, climb stairs, dance, or play with your kids without wincing or limping. What would that mean for you? Millions of people around the world live with persistent knee and joint pain, often feeling like they have to choose between toughing it out and taking painkillers that have unwanted side effects. But now there's a better option. A golden drink that brings ancient wisdom and modern science together to deliver real results. This simple elixir draws on the healing power of nature to relieve stiffness, reduce swelling, and restore comfort so you can keep living life on your terms. The best part, it's made with everyday ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. With just a few pantry staples, you can transform a cup of warm liquid into a soothing tonic that melts away discomfort and rejuvenates your joints. No more reaching for pills or dreading doctor visits. This golden solution puts the power to heal in your hands and at your fingertips. So if you're ready to say goodbye to pain and hello to a better, brighter, more active you, keep watching. We'll show you exactly what to drink and why it works wonders for stiff, sore joints. Get ready to unlock the secret to lifelong comfort and mobility. Your journey to pain-free living starts right here. Now let's dive into this golden drink and discover its amazing benefits. At the heart of this potent potion is turmeric, a golden spice that's been treasured for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Turmeric contains a special compound called curcumin, which gives it its vibrant color and impressive healing powers. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that helps reduce pain and swelling by targeting the sources of discomfort in your joints. Inflammation is your body's natural way of healing itself when it's injured. But sometimes this process can go into overdrive and cause more problems than good. That's where turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties come into play. By soothing inflammation, turmeric helps alleviate the pain and tenderness that comes with joint stiffness. But that's not all. Curcumin has also been shown to reduce the breakdown of cartilage and prevent the kind of damage that leads to osteoarthritis. So not only does turmeric relieve current discomfort, it also protects your joints for the future. Ginger is another key ingredient in our golden drink. Like turmeric, ginger has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly for easing pain and nausea. Its healing power comes from bioactive compounds called gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. One of the ways ginger provides relief is by boosting blood flow throughout the body, including to your joints. Improved circulation brings oxygen and nutrients that help nourish cartilage and other connective tissues. This increased nourishment can lead to healthier joints and reduced stiffness over time. Ginger also has natural pain-relieving properties that help block pain signals sent to the brain so you experience less discomfort. Cinnamon adds its own unique benefits to the mix. This aromatic spice is rich in antioxidants that help protect your body from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Cinnamon also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can help strengthen your immune system and keep infections at bay. When it comes to your joints, cinnamon may help reduce stiffness and swelling, while providing a delicious flavor that complements the other ingredients. Finally, we have warm milk, the perfect base for our golden drink. Milk is a rich source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and healthy joints. It also contains vitamin D and K2, which help regulate inflammation and ensure proper joint function. The warmth of the milk helps soothe sore muscles and dilate blood vessels, improving circulation and nutrient delivery to your joints. Milk also provides a comforting, relaxing feeling that can help calm your body before sleep. Together, these ingredients create a powerful synergy in our golden drink. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric and ginger work harmoniously with the antioxidants from cinnamon and the bone-nourishing nutrients in warm milk to provide a holistic approach to joint health. You may be wondering how to prepare this golden drink to get the most out of its healing powers. The process is simple. Start by gathering your ingredients: half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of ginger powder, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of honey for added sweetness and a little extra anti-inflammatory support. Add everything to a cup or bowl. Pour boiling water over the mixture and stir well to ensure all the ingredients are combined and the spices are fully dissolved. Now it's time to simmer the mixture over medium heat for 5 minutes. This helps infuse the water with the healing properties of the spices and allows the flavors to meld together. Finally, strain the mixture into a glass jar or container to remove any solid particles and make it easier to drink. And now your golden drink is ready to soothe your joints and bring comfort to your evenings. For best results, it's recommended to drink this golden beverage daily. Many people find that taking it in the morning helps kickstart their metabolism and provides energy for an active day. Others prefer to enjoy it in the evening to relax and unwind after a long day. Feel free to choose the time that works best for you and fits into your routine. Consistency is key when using this golden drink to alleviate joint pain and stiffness. Aim to drink it daily for at least 4 weeks to allow the anti-inflammatory ingredients like curcumin from turmeric to work their magic. Just like any natural remedy, results may vary from person to person, but many users report feeling a gradual improvement in their joint health and mobility over time. Incorporating this golden drink into your daily routine can have far-reaching benefits for your overall well-being. Let's explore some of the ways it can positively impact different aspects of your health. First and foremost, this drink is a powerful ally for weight management. The combination of turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon has been shown to boost metabolism and aid in fat loss. When consumed regularly, this golden beverage can help you shed excess pounds and achieve a healthy body weight, reducing strain on your joints and improving mobility. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of the drink can help combat chronic inflammation, which is often linked to weight gain and metabolic disorders. By reducing inflammation, this golden drink helps create a more favorable environment for weight loss and overall metabolic health. Another significant benefit of this golden drink lies in its ability to support digestive health. Ginger, in particular, is renowned for its digestive benefits, helping to soothe the stomach and alleviate issues like indigestion and bloating. When your digestive system is functioning optimally, you absorb nutrients more efficiently, aiding in the overall healing process and reducing joint discomfort. The drink also promotes healthy bowel movements and prevents constipation, ensuring that waste is eliminated effectively and your body remains free from toxins. Moreover, this golden drink can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. By controlling blood sugar, the drink reduces the risk of complications associated with high blood sugar, including nerve damage and eye problems. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes, who often experience neuropathy and other metabolic disorders that affect joint health. In addition to its physical benefits, this golden drink can also positively impact your mental and emotional well-being. The soothing ritual of sipping a warm beverage before bed can help calm your mind and promote relaxation, reducing stress and anxiety. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric and ginger also have a calming effect on the brain, improving your mood and increasing feelings of happiness and positivity. So why wait? Give this golden drink a try and experience the transformative power of nature's bounty. We'd love to hear about your journey to better joint health and mobility. If you've already tried this golden drink or have questions about incorporating it into your routine, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your feedback and stories can inspire others on their path to wellness. Thanks for joining us on this journey to rediscover ancient wisdom and unlock a better, brighter, more active you. Stay tuned for more videos that reveal nature's secrets to healing and rejuvenation. Until then, may your joints be loose, your steps be light, and your spirit be high.